just say that? You can sit. Did you eat? No.
Yeah, I ate.
Okay. Are you getting sick? You don't like hearing it? Talk to me. Need a minute? Take a minute. Uh-oh. Something telling me right now we're not gonna get this third combo today. Right now, this is combo number 2. Take a second, let's try to finish this round right here. Did you get up too fast a second ago? Or we're too intense right now?
I don't know.
Give it a minute. Give it a minute.
I feel a little queasy.
Give it a second. What'd you have this morning?
I had a shake and some eggs.
No protein. I mean, no carbs.
No carbs.
We need that. We need carbs. Protein can go after. Yep. No
Had a
carbs.
little carbs, like 7.
And I got some peanut butter in the back if you want a scoop of that. Listen to me. I ain't clean up no carb this morning. I don't want to clean
So
up.
you think that's why I feel queasy? Because
Yeah, you know how, hey, you know how much it's gonna take to get the bags up? Shit. Alright, Miss Key, come on now. We ain't new to this. I'll give you a little bit and we'll see, okay? If you feel like you can't continue, we'll call it. But if you got one more round, then I'd like to get one more round. Alright? One more round, that's all I want. You know where the bathroom at? Right over there in that corner. Trying to make it over there for me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What we doing, a line this way?
Yeah. Finish this set, we'll call it. Just want to get this set. The last combo, I'll pull it out. When you come back in here Tuesday, you're going to have some cards. We got to get back to work. I know you ain't did this since I seen you last.
Dang.
All right. Let's try. Your 7? Good. All right, your 6, come on with it. Easy work. Your 5, with it working. Come on with it. Your 4, there we go. When you step back, breathe out. Breathe out now. Your 3, good. And blow out your 2. All right, give me 1. All right, we got it. Take your time. Let's try to get it done. All right, reverse 7 when you're ready. All right, reverse 7. Easy work, reverse 7. Reverse 7. All right, give me a number, where we at? Your 4, 5. All right, 2 more. All right, your 1, we need 1. All right, got it. All right, forward and back when you are ready. We'll move on after this one, okay? Uh-oh. Say the protein for when you're done. Add the carbs before you come. Don't force it.